cute water bottle today. Start with a tall oval shape for the bottle body.
Now, draw the bottle cap on top. Make it slightly curved to look real. Add a loop handle to the cap, just like those sporty bottles have. Let's decorate. Draw a big flower near the top of the bottle. Add another cute flower at the bottom to complete the look. Now draw a wavy stripe across the middle of the bottle for a fun design. And we're done. A stylish, floral water bottle. Make the drawing more visible. Yellow color. Red color. Orange color.